John Ross, I really, really wanted to bring you a gift tonight, but I would have had to bring everybody a gift. I wanted to bring that frickin' tennis ball back to you and give that tennis ball back to you from freshman and sophomore year, because I know now you know what to do with it, instead of bouncing it off every wall ever known to man in my band room. That's how I met John. I wasn't sure if John was going to make it. More importantly, I wasn't sure if I was going to make it. John always had chops. John can play some marimba. John now can play some percussion, which is awesome. And watching him grow has been awesome, John. The maturity that you have figured out and found is wonderful. You don't seek out that attention. You just let yourself speak for it. You let your actions, you let your music speak for it. And man, that is an exciting, exciting thing as you step into the next round. John is also, as I have found out over the years, possibly one of the smartest math people in the country. John, your math brilliance, I'm accurate on that, right? Yeah, everybody's like, yeah. John's that guy everybody goes to, hey man, can you help me with this calculus problem? And you finish this up in a couple minutes. John, what a gift that is, man. And as you head out to Virginia Tech, where I know that you'll find some places for that use, realize that gift, man. Realize that gift and use it. Realize the gift of music and use it. I know you will. There's some people at Tech that are excited that you're coming, and Margaret's coming, and being a part of that over in Bandland. So I hope that you will continue and follow on and have a fantastic experience there. And if you need a tennis ball, I've got one, so you can have it. Deal? John Ross is headed to Virginia Tech, right? And